This is episode 9 of series 2, and today we're hitting a truth most men run from. The world is built by men who do hard things. You're listening to the Nomad Build with Angel Lopez, where we rebuild life from the ground up. One choice, one mindset, one breakthrough at a time. Because freedom is built, not bought. The world is built by men who do hard things. Always has been. Always will be. Modern comfort is killing masculine purpose. Hard work isn't punishment. It's where meaning lives. If you avoid difficulty, you avoid destiny. Let that sit for a second. Look around today. Everything is designed to make you comfortable. And that's exactly why so many men feel lost. We have softer lives than any generation before us, but somehow we're more stressed, more insecure, more empty. Because the body might love comfort, but the soul hates it. You are built to push, to overcome, to carry weight. Not just physical weight, responsibility, mission, purpose. You already know this. Think about the hardest seasons of your life. The ones where you had very little, or were starting over, or grinding in silence with nobody clapping for you. Those seasons didn't break you. They built you. Comfort didn't make you a man. Pressure did. You know why your confidence grew this year? Because you started doing hard things intentionally. Not out of survival, not because life forced you, but because you chose discipline. You chose to build skills. You chose to rebuild your business from a laptop. You chose to create daily content. You chose to run multiple responsibilities across countries with no excuses. People see you now and think the confidence came from success. No, it came from doing the things you didn't feel like doing. Your self-respect didn't grow because life got easier. It grew because you got harder. Men don't rise because conditions are perfect. Men rise because they move anyway. Every man has a list of things he keeps avoiding. The hard conversations, the financial discipline, the career jump, the gym, the purpose he keeps postponing. And here's the brutal truth. The work you avoid becomes the wall you keep crashing into. You're not stuck because life is unfair. You're stuck because you're carrying the same undone tasks, the same fears, the same habits year after year. Every time you avoid hard things, you give away a piece of your future. Every time you face them, you take it back. People think hard work is suffering. They think discipline is punishment. But any man who's ever built anything knows the truth. Hard work is where meaning comes from. It's the early mornings, the long nights, the failures that force you to sharpen the blade, the days with no applause, the seasons where you had to rebuild from scratch. Meaning isn't found in comfort. Comfort gives you pleasure. But purpose? Purpose is born in struggle. Your greatest breakthroughs came after your hardest battles. Your identity was shaped in the moments nobody saw. Your future was forged in the discipline you chose over distraction. Most men pray for a bigger life. More money, more mobility, more freedom, more respect. But they refuse the path that leads there. Destiny isn't hidden. It's just guarded by difficulty. You want a stronger relationship? Do the uncomfortable communication. You want a stronger body? Do the reps. You want a stronger business? Take the risks, learn the skills, build the systems. You want a stronger identity? Stop running from responsibility. There is no version of your highest self that lives an easy life. Look at your own life. You've built things in multiple places. You've rebuilt income from scratch more than once. You've supported family across borders. You've stayed disciplined even when life felt heavy. You kept posting when nobody was watching. You kept building when people doubted you. You kept going even when silence felt easier. That's not luck. That's the result of a man who does hard things when nobody's giving him a round of applause. You've earned the life you're stepping into, and you'll earn the next one the same way. Men today are starving for purpose because they're drowning in comfort. If you want a life worth living, you have to do the things most men avoid. Lean into difficulty, walk toward fear, choose the path that requires strength. The world is built by men who do hard things. If you avoid difficulty, you avoid destiny. And you're not avoiding anything anymore. You're building the future that has your name on it. This is Angel Lopez with the Nomad Build. Thank you for listening. Like the episode, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and until next time, keep building.